So he came over and we had such a blast. It was honestly a comedy show in itself.
Take my
Some warm
hand,
water
we're gonna
to
go to Central Park as friends.
it
Lie
was
under blue
so
skies,
much
sunshine,
fun.
a
So
bottle
I
of wine.
prepared
Talk
rice
about our daydreams. Hey, it seems we're
the
kind of
sweet meat
alike.
just because I don't know if I'll
Waiting for
actually go through with it today.
hands and every single airplane in the sky. Under blue
Okay, guys,
skies,
it is a
sunshine.
popular opinion. All done. Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. For all my new subscribers joining in today, I am super excited to have you here. My name is Tarasha. I live in Gurgaon, India, and I'm all about productivity, lifestyle, cozy home vibes. So if that's your jam, definitely consider subscribing. I am sure you're gonna love it here. If you are new here, I just want to say a huge welcome to the fam. Recently, I have had a lot of new subscribers, and for everyone who's been around, thanks for coming back. Seriously, it means so much to me to have you guys here with me. So, today we're gonna have a pretty chill and fun day. Okay, so before we dive into today, I need to recap my weekend with you. So, if you guys are up to date and you saw my last vlog, I had mentioned that a good friend of mine was visiting us from Hyderabad. So, he came over and we had such a blast. We basically stayed in all weekend eating amazing food and playing dumb charades the entire weekend. It was so much fun. Like, I haven't laughed that much in a while. You know, when your stomach hurts from laughing, yeah, that was exactly how our day went. And obviously, AB and my friend ganged up on me. They teamed up and they made me act out majority of the movies. Plus, they were so bad at guessing them. It was hilarious. I am not even kidding you guys. They completely failed at most of them, the easiest ones. It was honestly a comedy show in itself. But okay, moving on to today. It's a pretty standard day, but I do have a lot to do. I have a lot of things on my mind, but first I need to fuel myself. I need to make myself a breakfast, and I'm also craving matcha today. It's been so long since I've had one. But honestly, I prefer iced matcha over hot matcha. And since it has been so cold, I did not reach out for my matcha at all. But as soon as spring hits, I am gonna jump on that matcha train. So let's go and make ourselves a matcha. And once I'm done with my matcha, I'm gonna quickly whip up some breakfast as well. Alright guys, I've got all my matcha ingredients with me. Now let's quickly make some matcha. I will dip my chasen in some warm water to soften the bristles. So our matcha is sifted, but before whisking this, I'm gonna prepare my milk. I'm gonna add some vanilla syrup and then I'm gonna froth it up. Now I'm gonna add some warm water. We do not want to add hot boiling water. We do not want to burn our matcha. Now I'm gonna whisk it in an M or W pattern. Whisking in this pattern ensures that your matcha becomes frothy. Now let's pour our matcha in. Alright guys, the matcha is ready and now it's time to taste it. This looks amazing. It looks so frothy. Let's taste it. This is so amazing. I have to go and give AB his matcha. He will love it. We have always tried matcha in soy milk, and I think this is my first time trying it in an oat milk. At least at home, like when we are outside, we do get matcha in oat milk, but I have never done this at home, and I think it's my new favorite. I'm gonna have my matchas in oat milk now. Let's go and give AB his matcha. Okay guys, it is a popular opinion and we are loving our matchas in oat milk. Even AB thinks so. So now I think I'm gonna enjoy my matcha while working. I am not feeling that hungry right now, mainly because I did not work out today. So I'll have my breakfast a little bit later in the day. But yeah, I'm gonna go catch up on some work. I don't think so I mentioned it, but today is a Wednesday, so happy Wednesday. And today I need to upload my video, so I have some finishing touches to do. And I really want to be on time, so I think I'm gonna tackle that first and then we'll see how the day goes. Alright guys, you know I cannot start my workday without journaling first. So I have listed down my tasks for the day, and I think I have not shown you my weekly spread for the third week of January. So this is my spread and I really love how simple it is. This was last week and this was the first week of January. All my mood trackers are updated. That is it. So I'll get back to work now. So guys, I just ordered some bread from Zomato. We were out of our bread and I was planning to have egg white omelette with toast today. So I ordered some sourdough and some brown bread from Sugar and Spice. We are gonna toast it and have it with our eggs. Okay, so I've had my breakfast and I grabbed a sweet treat just because I have two tiny pieces of banana bread and I don't know, I was just craving it after my egg white omelette. So I'm gonna enjoy this and then dive back into work. But before I do that, I wanted to talk to you about something. So here's a new book I have been loving. If you remember, I talked about my book struggles, my reading struggles in one of my vlogs. If you haven't watched it, I will link it. But I was struggling with a book. I could not just go through with it. And I got a couple of comments suggesting that I should pick up a new one. So I took your advice and this is what I settled for. This is The Hating Game by Sally Thorne, and I'm a few chapters in and I am loving it. It is grabbing my attention, which was my pain point with my previous book. I am so hooked and this is definitely more engaging than my previous read. So yeah, I just wanted to update you guys and thank each one of you who suggested me to jump on a new book. Now I'm gonna finish this and get back to work. Alright, guys, it is later in the afternoon, and now on to something that I have been putting off since weeks now. I have been going back and forth about getting a haircut. Honestly, I have chickened out so many times. I meant to get it done last Sunday, but that clearly did not happen. One minute I'm like, I need a change, I need a little bounce, but then I get scared, obviously, because I have pretty long hair and I do not want to mess up my length. I don't know if I'll actually go through with it today, but I do want to visit a salon today and get it done. So stay tuned. I will show you the new look if I go through with it. Alright guys, my video is almost ready and I just spent half an hour in budget tracking. So me and AB have started doing this year in 2025, where we are starting to track our expenses, and I also mentioned it in my vision board that we want to save more for traveling, be it domestic trips, international, whatever. Like, I know the importance of taking breaks, getting out of your routine and just recharging and refreshing yourself with a change of scenery. So be it small trips or whatever, I really want to go out of the house more. So we have started tracking everything. So mainly I have taken the charge of accounting all of our expenses. So I spent half an hour doing that and I feel really good about it. It helps a lot to track your financial goals. So I am really into it nowadays. I have just downloaded a typical budget tracker from Google and I am using that. So yeah, that is it. And now I'm a little hungry, so let's go and grab a snack.
I got nothing in my head, but I think that I'm fine. I've been dreaming of my bed, but I can't get through the night. I got nothing in my chest, but I'm feeling so alive.
So guys, I have made myself a little snack plate, some grapes and crackers with cream cheese, my favorite go-to snack lately. So I'm gonna munch on these and also brainstorm some video ideas. I am really gearing up this year and I'm trying to put out really good quality content for you guys. So I need to sit down and think about relatable video ideas. So I'll be doing that while having my snack. So let's go.
Sad, but it's killing me tonight.
So I'm back home and I finally did it. I got my haircut done I do not know why I was so scared, but let me show you guys properly. Let me remove my jacket and stuff. If you cannot tell, I just came back home and it was so cold outside. So I asked for face framing layers and I did ask my hairdresser what style did he give me. So it's a razor haircut and I absolutely love it. And he obviously did not get rid of my length, so I love that. And my hair is now all bouncy. I love it. I had the most amazing head massage while getting my hair shampooed, and I also got my nails cut and filed. So, yeah, all in all, it was a perfect self care evening. Guys, do let me know what do you think about my haircut. Also, now I'm gonna unwind for the night, prep some dinner. I am thinking of making pasta. It's the perfect cozy meal for tonight, and I'm gonna enjoy it with some white wine. I am really craving some wine right now. So I'll get to cooking and I'll see you guys shortly. Alright, guys, that is it for today. I am pretty tapped out, really tired. All I want to do is remove my contacts, makeup, and just get into my cozy bed. I hope you guys loved hanging out with me and spending this day with me together. Don't forget to hit that like button, and if you are new here, do subscribe to my channel. I post everything about productivity, lifestyle, my day-to-day life, and I post new videos every Wednesdays and Saturdays. I will catch you guys in the next one.
She keeps me
Bye.
close. In the friend zone? Yeah, but I don't mind it too much though. Why? If my feelings don't show, say it ain't so, man. You should know that I've been saying no, but maybe you're the one I've been looking for so long.